Hi guys, in this video ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano magpalipad ng drone. So bago pala namin itong nabili sa TikTok. Yun guys, tinatry namin kung paano
Balitok na ron.
Balitok ka.
Balitok.
Please watch this video until the end. So keep on watching.
Ubora siya. Ay, sangit. Sangit naman.
Pabalik ka dan Balik.
Balik.
So that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day everyone. Thank you to all my supporters and viewers out there. Thank you so much.